characteristics of rural community. A. Size of community. B. Density of population. C. Agriculture is the main occupation. D. Close contact with nature. E. Homogeneity of population. F. Social stratification. G. Social interaction. H. Social mobility. I. Social solidarity. J. Joint family. A detail going on. A. Size of the community. The village communities are smaller in area than urban communities. As the village communities are small, the population is also low. B. Density of population. As the density of population is low, the people have intimate relationship and face-to-face contacts with each other. In a village, everyone knows everyone. C. Agriculture is the main occupation. Agriculture is the fundamental occupation of the rural people and forms the basis of rural economy. A farmer has to perform various agricultural activities for which he needs the occupation of other members. Such activities, for example, are public health and sanitation, peace and order, proper use of public amenities, education, recreation, etc. Through cooperation, the village people can bring about their development and put the village community on the way to prosperity. D. Close contact with nature. The rural people are close contact with nature, as most of their daily activities revolve among the natural environment. This is the reason why a rural life is most and more influenced by nature than an urban or urbanity. The villagers consider land as their real mother, as they depend on it for their food, clothing and shelters. E. Homogeneity of population. The village communities are homogeneous in nature. Most of their inhabitants are connected with agriculture and its allied occupations, though there are people belonging to different castes, religions and classes. F. Social stratification. In rural society, social stratification is a traditional characteristic based on caste. The rural society is divided into various strata on the basis of caste. G. Social interaction. The frequency of social interaction in rural area is comparatively lower than in urban areas. However, the interaction level possesses more stability and continuity. The relationship and interaction in the primary groups are intimate. The family fulfills the needs of the members and exercises control over them. It is the family which introduces the members to the customs, traditions, and culture of the society. Due to limited contexts, they do not develop individuality and their viewpoint towards outside, which is very narrow, which makes them oppose any kind of violent change. Height social mobility. In rural areas, mobility is rigid as well as the occupations are based on caste. Shifting from one occupation to another is difficult as caste is determined by birth. Thus, caste hierarchy determines the social status of the rural people. Social solidarity. The degree of social solidarity is greater in villages as compared to urban areas. Common experience, purposes, customs, traditions from the basis of unity in the village. The joint family. Another characteristic feature of the rural society is the joint family system. The family controls the behavior of the individuals. Generally, the father is the head of the family and is also responsible for maintaining the discipline among members. He manages the affairs of the family. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.